Good morning, class. It's time for Tuesday Social Studies. Today we'll be on lesson 4, we'll be reading section 1 and 2. Section 1 is going to start on page 58. The picture you see at the top, it says this engraving shows Irish immigrants on a ship bound for the United States. Many left Ireland because of the disease that killed potato plants. There's a lot of them on the ship. Why immigrants come to the United States? When people moved to another country to live, they are called immigrants. Immigrants have come to the United States for many years. Sometimes they may need to get away from problems. There might be wars or unfair laws where they live. Sometimes there are too many people in a place without enough jobs or food for everyone. Once in Ireland, a disease started to kill all the potato plants in the country. Potatoes were an important food there. When the plants died, people began to starve. Many families left their homes. Left their homes and moved to the United States. On page 59 at the top. After the Irish, many immigrants from other countries fled to the United States. Millions of Italians came to the United States to escape poverty. Jewish immigrants from Eastern Europe came to evade unfair treatment, and Mexicans came to avoid a bloody civil war. But people don't move here just to escape problems. Often, they simply want a chance for a better life. That is one reason our country grew quickly in the 1800s. Many people came from Europe to get good jobs or start farms. When gold was discovered in California, people came rushing to the gold fields from all over the world. Only a few of them got rich, but many stayed away. Can you think of some reasons why people might want to come to the United States today? Turn to page 60. How immigrants come to the United States. Getting to the United States is often hard for immigrants. In the past, people came from Asia and Europe on crowded ships. These people included the Irish, the Jews, and the Chinese. Often, the conditions on the ships were awful. The ships were unsanitary and overcrowded with passengers. A ship might take weeks crossing the ocean, but not all immigrants traveled to the United States by sea. People from Mexico and other places sometimes walked hundreds of miles. Things weren't easy after the trip was over. Government officials tested new immigrants to see if they were healthy. If they were sick, they could be sent home. Next page. I'm on 61 at the top. Immigrants also had to answer a lot of questions. They had to say where they were going to stay and show how they were going to make a living. Sometimes they didn't have good answers and were turned away, but billions were allowed to stay. Today, getting to the United States is a lot easier because of airplanes, but it is even harder to stay. Before coming to the United States, immigrants must get permission to stay here. They have to hire lawyers and fill out lots of papers. The process is expensive and can take years. Sometimes whole families save money so just one person can immigrate. Often they hope that the rest of the family can come later on. Reading about immigrants is a lot different than us traveling from state to state or visiting. We have so much more freedom. Thank you guys for reading section 1 and 2 with me today. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day.